Everyone, my name is Rizky Fajar Aristanti. I will present of the estimation recording a journal review about burden of foodborne disease in the Southeast Asia region. First topic is introduction. Foodborne disease. Food is an essential requirement for human, but it can also be a vehicle of disease transmission if contaminated with harmful microbes or chemical and toxin. Globally, billions of people are at risk of foodborne disease and millions fall ill every year. Many also die as a result of consuming unsafe food. FBD are more critical in developing countries due to various reasons, such as use of unsafe butter for cleaning and processing of food, poor food production process and food handling, absence of adequate food storage infrastructure, and inadequate or poorly enforced regulatory standards. The tropical climate in many countries in the region also favor the proliferation of pests and naturally occurring toxins and increase the risk of contracting parasitic disease including worm infestation. Cause of foodborne disease. First, foodborne infection cause of microbes contaminated on food. Second, chemical and toxin in food. Adulteration of food is normally observed in its most crude form where prohibited substances are either added or used to partly or wholly substitute healthy ingredients or to artificially create the impression of freshness in stale food. Food allergy is an abnormal response to a food triggered by the body immune system. The prevalence of food allergy in the general population has been roughly estimated to be around 1 until 3% in adults and 4 until 6% in child. Foodborne disease in the Southeast Asia region. Home to a quarter of the world population, the WHO Southeast Asia region has the second highest burden of FBD per population among WHO regions. It has more than half of the global infection and death due to typhoid fever or hepatitis A. Based on data 2010 from the FERG report, the annual burden of FBD in the Southeast Asia region include more than 1,050 million illness, 175 deaths, and 12 million dailies. And action point. The global burden of FBD is considerable with marked region variation. The burden of FBD is borne by individuals of all ages and particularly children under 5 years of age and persons living in low-income regions of the world. These estimates are conservative. Future studies are needed to address the data gap and limitation of this study. The considerable difference in the burden of foodborne disease between low and high income regions suggests that a major proportion of the current burden is avoidable and that control method to exist. WHO promote the use of international platforms such as the Joint WHO, FAO, or Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, International Food Safety Authorities Network, or InfoSum. They ensure effective and rapid communication during food safety emergency. WHO also works closely with other international organization to ensure food safety along the entire food chain, from production to consumption, in line with Codex Alimentarius or CA. CA is a collection of international food standard guidelines and code of practice covering all main food and steps in the food supply chain. WHO 5 keys to safer food explain the basic principle that each individual should know all over the world to prevent FBD. First, use safe water and raw material. Second, keep food at safe temperature. Third, separate raw and cooked food. Fourth, cook thoroughly. And 5, keep clean. It's my source of my journal. Okay, the last. Thank you everyone for your attention. Bye bye.